Hi all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making fried yuca or fried cassava, and I'll share the secret to making the perfect fried yuca. Usually you'll find fried yuca served in restaurants like Gloria's or Pollo Tropical, but you can make it at home. First you want to wash your yuca and cut both ends. I have about 750 grams of yuca here. Then cut into about 3 inches in length. Then peel the skin off. Watch how I peel the skin. A fresh and good quality yuca will be easy to peel. Depending on the size of your yuca, you can cut them into smaller sections. I cut mine into 4 sections. This is the secret to a crispy fried yuca and soft in the inside. You boil the yuca before frying. So we put our cut up yuca in a pot of water, enough to cover the entire yuca, and add about 3/4 teaspoon salt. It is okay to have your salt at this point, as we can always add salt later. Boil until fork tender. Take it out of the pan and let it cool a little. We are letting the moisture evaporate. Then we heat up our oil in the pan. This is how I test whether the oil is hot enough. See how the wooden spoon sizzles. Now I put the boiled yuca in the hot oil. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Write a comment or ask me a question about the recipe, and I'll be very happy to answer you. Fry until golden brown. Take it out from the fryer and sprinkle with some salt if you desire. I hope you can hear how crispy this yuca is when I bite into it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.